What up, what up, what up?
You trying to pop out where I sleep? Say hello?
It's Rich man, back with another vlog as always, doing what we do. I'm on my way to the bank, put in some monies. I have to buy some parts. Got the doggo with me, so she enjoyed the ride. Right, Sky?
Mamas, he's so gorgeous.
She loves car rides, she just loves adventures. Yeah, we're just getting the day started. Guys, I am attempting to bring this engine inside. No room over there. I don't really want to bring it through the front with 2 steps.
Yes, sir! We got it inside!
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, we somehow made it get inside. What is going on, y'all? So if you haven't noticed already, this is finally going to be the start of the teardown video of the motor. Then, you know, bringing the block down to the guy JP. Everyone tends to go to him for the machine work because he does really good work. Hence why I'm bringing it to him, and he's going to work his magic with all that. I think, pretty sure I know what pistons I'm going with. Going with the Wesco, however you say it. 11.1, 87.5 millimeter bore size, because I'm boring it out a little bit just to make sure it's recommended. Hopefully everything works out how it should. There's a lot of mixed opinions and a lot of different information about what compression rates and where I should go. If I went lower, like 10.1, like some people are recommending, that's straight for like high boosting or whatever. And in the beginning, I'm gonna be NA for a little while because I need to enjoy the car. Piece up the turbo kit and not just go all out on it, because, you know, I'm not gonna have all that bread because that shit's expensive too. And this whole rebuild is gonna be like 3 grand or more. So if I went like 10.1 and I was NA, the car would feel like dog water, man. It would feel like a cow and sluggish, and I don't want that. Going 11.1 and just kind of manage, guess, the timing and how much boost I put in. Go! So this is the shit we gotta f***ing deal with right now. First, some shit with the f***ing laundry. It's all backed up or clogged. I don't know what the f*** is going on. And there's fucking flooding everywhere because mass raining. Just going all up in here. With my shit. This shit hella water, bro. And the gutters are all clogged and now rinsing, not doing shit. Thank God this is not my house. It would not be like this if it was. It's your boy Rich. This is just like a quick little thing, little updates, showing you what like parts that I got, what came in, what new things I bought. I don't know if you can see the motor in the background, it's still there. I was waiting on a specific package just so I could start this up because I was just excited to use them before I started this. It'll make things a little bit quicker. So, yeah, with that being said, let's start looking through some things. But hey, if you guys been enjoying the channel, drop a sub. We've been growing, trying to do more. Leave your comments down below what you guys want to see. So, start things off. This was already an open bag, but I don't know if I ever showed this. This is part of the intake stuff, you know, clamps, whatever, silicone, adapter, whatever. Let's start getting to some of the more expensive things and more important things of the build. And we got even more parts coming because we're constantly ordering things as, you know, the weeks go on, and trying to get this build on the road. Boy ain't nowhere, boy. Come on. What is you doing to me? Alright, packaged. Can you guys guess what it is? What is it? It is a RSX Type S oil pump with the whole shield, Honda bond, which is really nice. Some nice tubing, and the whole like tensioner and all of that kit. I believe I'm supposed to use all of it. I'm not quite sure. Like, I've been going through a lot of information. A lot of this stuff is kind of new to me because first time doing it. But I've read about it a couple times over the years and shit. Let me mention, this is from HPT Auto. Damn, I'm surprised. No like stickers or anything from them. Like they didn't provide business card, no stickers, not shit. That's surprising. Business recommendation: provide stickers, business cards in your thing. More than likely, people are gonna like it regardless because it's free things and it's like cool and whatnot. They're gonna enjoy it. They're gonna slap it somewhere and whatnot, or maybe they're gonna leave it somewhere, but they're still gonna know who's it from, it's there and whatnot. Anytime anyone tries to put an order with me, I just try throwing a couple of our stickers, business cards, whatever, all that fun stuff. But yeah, Honda bond, all the other bolts, all OEM stuff. So I paid $500 for this because it's a whole kit and it's already machined. You guys can tell right here, it's already machined to fit the K24 block. So if I didn't, I'd have to do it all myself and get it right, grind it down right here, how it is. There is DIY videos. Ghost Boy Aki, he made a pretty good one I watched. I was gonna, base it off his, but I just spent the extra couple bucks. They had it in stock, why not? Thought it'd be a cool little update video for you guys, just to show that I'm buying parts, things are coming. It's all about waiting and things cost money, guys. I'm not taking money from the trees right now. I wish, hopefully someday YouTube pays, some good things or like supporters support and we get a good base going and we could keep leveling up in YouTube and bringing that content, different cars and experience for different people and just trying to give back, involve people, that's all the shit I want to do. I get inspired by so many different YouTubers that, man, this is gonna happen one day or another. One day or another. Next package. Where's my handy dandy? Popcorn chips. Shit's about dry as hell. K20 Z3 second gear OEM Honda gear. The one that I bought, second gear was grinded. The guy paid for it. So yeah. But yeah, see, Synchrotech. At least they come with a sticker and some sort of info paper. Like the other thing, like you would think $500 oil pump would come with something. A sticker, 50-cent sticker. Don't be looking at my address. I see you. I see you trying to look at my address. Trying to pop out where I sleep. Say hello. Don't do that. A lot of you guys shall know real street performance. A lot of your engine mods, needs, and all that. Rod and main bearings, because you guys know the rebuild. If you somehow forgot that I'm doing a rebuild on this channel and you haven't been watching the videos, so go watch all the recent videos, because we're doing this rebuild. I'm already like $1,800 into it. We're like halfway shit bought, for the most part, the most expensive shit. This is by choice. Is like I could have like found some junkyard motor and dealt with that for a little while and whatnot, but I made a decision to just bulletproof mine kind of and just rebuild it, make it fresh, and enjoy it. Because I want to be NA for a little while. I want to push it. I want to experience, you know, the SI training gearing and all that. I want to see the difference. Then eventually I'll be boosted, and you know. If you know, you know. They're ACL race bearings, so yeah, some good things. Basically the most common stuff I guess people get. This is gonna be safe for last, the big box, because you know we gotta save the bigger for last. Oh, this is a fender liner.
Oh yeah.
This is real anticlimactic. I had no idea what the fuck this was. I thought this was some racing that I bought. This for my car, we bought this a little while ago, a long while ago. I think my girl actually bought it. I ain't buy it, my girl bought it. So, put respect on her name. She bought it. Well, obviously the car is down, it's not driving, so, you know. Yeah. So, Home Depot box. What fucking car part is that, Rish? What car part is that from Home Depot? Well, it's not. It's not. This is something I was excited about, you know. It's gonna be my new phrase, you know? I'm gonna put that in my Instagram bio. Why don't you guys go follow me? Go follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to build that up. Rish.media and TSX Rish. Follow me, guys. I'm trying to build up my IG. You know? What the fuck can be in here? What can be in here? This is something I was excited about to use for this. Let's pop this thing open. Fucking slices my kneecap. We got the ratchet tool, the 3/8 M12 Milwaukee. This was like $225 or something. My girl put in that order, so you know, you feel me? So finally got some good power tools coming in. Comes with the hammer drill driver and the impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag, I guess, and this ratchet. So can't beat that. Like, we need some damn power tools. You guys know, if you've been watching, we've been hand tooling this shit for the most part, unless we're like at the shop or like someone who's got, you know, some air and things like that. Yeah. Battery, instructions, things, manual. Battery, got the charger, on deck. Pew 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 pew. Can't pop the bomb. Pop pop. Pop pop. Guys looking at me like, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me about it. Right. Yeah, we got this other little baddie right here, man. Fuck with me. Who wants some? I got the Kimbals right here. What? Battery pack over her. Oh, just the tip. Just the tip, guys. A lot of talk in this video, guys. I know some of you guys enjoy it, some of you guys don't. Some of you guys just want to see like content. This is all around different videos. I'm just doing what I do. If you guys don't enjoy it, watch other videos, watch someone else. I'm just here for a good time, and hopefully you guys are too. With that being said, thanks for watching. Subscribe, drop your comments down below, like, live rich, and peace out. Yesterday from 4 Piston Racing, I bought a rod and piston combo, Lysco pistons, 11.1 compression, 87.5 millimeter bore size, Kaylee rods. I don't know how you said that either, but for the price and the combo, couldn't really beat it. For just like $40 more, $50 more because of the extra bore sizing, the 0.5 millimeter on the pistons. People were saying if it's the same price, they'd go with the Cali ones over the Manly. Those are rated for at least 800 horsepower, if not more. Some guy has them in his vet, 1200 horsepower vet at that. So with that being said, they should be good. 4 Piston Racing, they're reputable, and you know, that's what they recommended. So hey, I just want to add that in because I forgot to mention that. So yeah, peace out, have a good one.